Stay warm in extreme cold with our Tideway hunting boots. Featuring cold-resistant 800G insulation that traps radiated body heat and 7mm neoprene for added heat retention properties, these boots are designed to keep you warm in temperatures as low as -50 degrees Fahrenheit per -45 degrees Celsius. Made with high-grade rubber and neoprene, these boots are also 100% waterproof, ensuring your feet stay dry even in the harshest conditions. The EVA contoured midsole provides lightweight cushioning, shock absorption, and comfort, while the back gussets with cinch buckles ensure a secure and custom fit. The ingenious outsole pattern design offers excellent stability and traction, making these boots anti-slip and comfortable to wear. With double reinforcement including a sealed rubber shell that extends up to the top line for additional protection, and reinforced rubber on the toe and heel, these boots are built to last and protect you from moisture, sharp sticks, rocks, and more. Conquer the great outdoors with Hisia Apollo boots. These 16.5 rubber neoprene boots are designed to be durable, protective, and comfortable for all your outdoor activities. With a rubber sole and a shaft measuring approximately 16.5 inches from the arch, these boots provide excellent support and stability. The 5mm lightweight and waterproof CR Flex Foam booties with 4-way stretch nylon seal out water and provide a snug fit. The back gussets with cinch buckles allow for a custom fit and keep warmth in and cold out. The breathable air mesh lining allows air to circulate, keeping your feet dry and comfortable even in intense use. These boots are comfort rated from 14 degrees Fahrenheit per -10 degrees Celsius to 86 degrees Fahrenheit per 30 degrees Celsius, making them suitable for various weather conditions. The high-grade, premium rubber exterior provides extra toughness and makes these boots 100% waterproof, with a sealed rubber shell extending up to the top line for additional protection. The easy-to-clean design and lightweight, cushioning EVA midsoles make these boots comfortable for all-day wear. The durable molded rubber outsoles offer excellent stability and traction, with reinforced Achilles, heel, and toe areas for additional protection from outdoor dangers. Gear up for your outdoor adventures with these high-performance Enagle 6-inch camouflage hunting boots. Made with 1000D camouflage fabric, these boots are not only waterproof but also breathable thanks to the anti-wicking fabric, waterproof membrane, and breathable BK mesh upper. Your feet will stay dry and cool even in challenging conditions, making them ideal for tactical, military, combat, and hunting activities. Designed for durability and lightweight performance, these camo boots feature a high-performance EVA midsole that provides excellent cushioning and shock absorption. The stiff and sticky rubber outsole delivers reliable traction on both wet and dry surfaces, making them suitable for various outdoor terrains. The unique shock absorption rebound technology in the EVA midsole also helps protect your knee joints from injury during high-impact activities. Not only do these outdoor military boots perform well, but they also boast a fashionable design. The camo pattern helps you blend into your surroundings while adding style to your outdoor gear. These boots are versatile and can be used for long-distance hiking, trekking, hunting, or even as gardening boots to keep your feet dry and clean. With their lightweight and breathable design, these duty boots are suitable for year-round use, making them a perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts.